Hello and welcome to this new video. In this new video I will show you how to extract text from an image using Tesseract with Python. Tesseract is an optical character recognition engine that was developed by Google. So first we need to install Tesseract. In this case, I will show you how to install it for Windows. So first, we need to go to this GitHub repository of Tesseract, which I will leave the link in the description. So we just have to choose between 32-bit or 64-bit, download it and install.
Bless the sun, 'cause it gave light to our days. We cursed our youth, 'cause it wouldn't stay. We swore in blood that
At this part of the installation, we need to write down the path of the destination folder because we will need it in a few minutes. So be careful with that. And now we continue with the installation. By this time we have installed Tesseract, but now we need to install Pytesseract using PIP. And as you can see, it's very simple. You just have to write pip install Pytesseract, and in a few seconds it's done. So now let's try to extract the text from this image that says, "If you find this video helpful, please subscribe." It is a PNG file. Also remember that the image needs to be in the same folder as your code, at least for this example. So let's begin with the code. We need to import Pytesseract as a name. I use Tess. And we also need to import image from PIL. We create a new variable called img, which contains image.open and the name of the file that we want to extract the text of. And we create a new variable called text, which will contain the module image to string. And as parameter, we will write img. And now let's print the variable text. And as you can see, we have an error. It says Tesseract not found. So we can include the path of Tesseract to our environment, or we can solve it right here in the same code as follows. We need to copy the path where the Tesseract executable is located. And now add this line of code.
we swore in blood that our hope would remain. Such fragile hopes are destined to break.
And now the code is ready and we can run it again. And as you can see, it works. So we have just extracted the text from an image and we have printed it. And also, as you can see, it even respects the capital letters. So it's working very well. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos like this. See you.